Robert Kiyosaki, a well-known author and entrepreneur, has discussed the concept of using debt for wealth creation in his popular book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education and adopting the mindset of an investor. In his book, Kiyosaki differentiates between assets and liabilities. He suggests that true wealth is built by acquiring income-generating assets rather than accumulating liabilities. Kiyosaki advocates using debt strategically to acquire assets that have the potential to generate income and appreciate in value over time. It's important to note that while Kiyosaki promotes the idea of using debt for investment, he also emphasizes the need for financial education and caution. Not all debt is considered equal, and the risks associated with leveraging should be carefully evaluated. In this video, we'll explore 4 crucial aspects: using debt for investments, the significance of financial education, adopting an investor's mindset, and Kiyosaki's emphasis on caution and responsibility. These principles provide a direct guide for those aiming to not just stabilize their finances but to amass wealth through smart debt utilization. Using debt for investments. Robert Kiyosaki's advocacy for using debt as a strategic tool for investments extends beyond mere encouragement. It's a fundamental pillar of his financial philosophy. Rather than viewing all debt as detrimental, Kiyosaki proposes that individuals can leverage borrowed funds to acquire income-generating assets. These assets, be they real estate, stocks, or businesses, have the potential to appreciate over time and generate a steady stream of income. By judiciously using debt to acquire appreciating assets, individuals may find themselves on a path to building sustainable wealth. It's a concept that challenges conventional notions about debt and encourages a more nuanced understanding of its potential benefits when used strategically. Financial education. At the heart of Kiyosaki's teachings is the belief that financial education is the cornerstone of making informed and empowered financial decisions. Understanding the nuances of various types of debt, from mortgages to business loans, empowers individuals to make choices aligned with their financial goals. Kiyosaki urges his audience to delve into the intricacies of financial markets, educating themselves about risk management, investment strategies, and the overall dynamics of wealth creation. In his view, a well-informed individual is better equipped to navigate the complexities of leveraging debt for financial gain. Mindset of an investor. Kiyosaki advocates for a transformative shift in mindset, an evolution from a fear of risks to the mindset of an investor actively seeking opportunities. This involves embracing calculated risks, seeing challenges as potential stepping stones to success, and adopting a proactive approach to wealth creation. By cultivating the mindset of an investor, individuals are encouraged to think beyond traditional financial paradigms, explore new possibilities, and take the necessary steps to grow their wealth. This mindset shift is not just about using debt but about adopting a holistic approach to financial decision-making. Caution and responsibility. While Kiyosaki extols the potential benefits of leveraging debt, he does so with a caveat: responsible and informed decision-making is paramount. Cautioning against reckless borrowing, he emphasizes the importance of understanding the risks associated with different types of debt. It's not a call to accumulate debt indiscriminately but rather a reminder to use debt as a strategic tool with careful consideration. Kiyosaki encourages individuals to assess their financial situations, have a clear understanding of their risk tolerance, and approach debt with a sense of responsibility. This prudent approach is intended to safeguard against potential financial pitfalls that may arise from hasty or uninformed decisions. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's insights into the relationship between debt and wealth offer a unique perspective on financial success. Encouraging a shift in mindset, coupled with a commitment to financial education, Kiyosaki provides a roadmap for individuals looking to harness the power of debt responsibly. For a deeper exploration of these concepts, readers are urged to delve into the pages of Rich Dad Poor Dad and embark on a journey toward financial empowerment.